Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto g84 5G. That you want to go to your settings and then go to display, and here you want to scroll down to screen timeout, and right now it's set to 1 minute, but you can choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 30 minutes. I'm gonna say 2 minutes now, but you can choose whatever you like here. And then we also have the attentive display, prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. Attentive display uses the front camera to see if someone is looking at the screen. It works on device and images are never stored or sent to Motorola. If you choose one or the other, you can just go back, and then that's how you can customize your screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G84 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.